We drippy, drippy, all year round. We drippy, drippy, we drippy, drippy. We drippy, 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 drippy. Oh yeah, we drippy, 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 drippy. We drippy, drippy, all year round. Forex
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a booty. Yeah, baby. You hear that? Them ain't no fat girl thigh rolling together, little daddy. Them Birdman hand, baby. You know why? Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. I tried to come in like a DJ. You remember what his name was? Johnny DJ on WKRP in Cincinnati. What his name was? Was it Johnny Bravo? It was Johnny something. Johnny Midnight? Oh, man, I can't even remember. Johnny Midnight. Oh, anyway, man, I'm tripping. You see it, man. We gonna talk about the king today, baby. We gonna talk about the king today, cause things is popping off, bro. Look at here, look at here. Whew, bro. This is the moment we all been waiting for, man. It's go time, baby. It is go time. You know this is no fluff YouTube, so I'm gonna get right to it. Look, man. Forex did an AMA a couple days ago, and in my opinion, it was the best AMA he ever done, bro. Now look, before he was talking about Piggy Plinko and Animal Farm, and you know, that's cool. I'm with it. I can't wait for that either. But he listened to the community. Everybody was, hey man, what about drip? What about drip? Drip, 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 drip. What about drip, drop, draw, and the UI and drip, drip? He listened to the community. Maybe it took for him to get sick and look around and look at some videos. I don't know. But he came back the other day, all drip, baby. Showed the new, matter of fact, let me see it. Let me show it to you. Bam! Now this is the new drip UI. This is the garden portion of it. I think this is so beautiful. Oh man, look at this. Now you know what the old garden looked like. Look at this, bro. My computer ain't doing it no justice. Cause if I blow it up bigger, it's gonna see how it get more grainy. But you get the picture. Oh my goodness. Oh man, it's beautiful. So Forex went to the drawing board. Well, I mean, it's already ready, as you can see. It's even showing that this is the correct amount that's in the. So it's already hooked up. It looked like to me. But anyway, bro, your job is to get yourself into position, bro. Like literally, you can literally make $1 million with this project going forward. Now it's gonna take some capital. Now I ain't one of these guys I tell you all the time. You ain't even take $2 and turn it into $100,000. I don't know where y'all be getting this stuff from. Stop watching 60 Minutes and all that. Watch the old Bitcoin millionaire. You know, that, hey, man, you know. But anyway, that's you and Pepe. Shout out to Pepe. I ain't even get to talk about Pepe, man. We were talking about Pepe last week. Hey, got me a couple dollars still, you know. But anyway, I digress. So what you need to do, right? Let me get back to the king. What you need to do, like I said before, is accumulate as many drip tokens as you possibly can, bro. The man came out with a date, bro. A soft date of 4 weeks. 4. That's only 30 days, bro. Now, you should have been collecting this whole time. But if you knew, because that's what, you know, any project is trying to attract, right? So if you got somebody coming to you like, hey, man, I want to get in this crypto thing. What can I get in that's kind of safe, but, you know, a little bit kind of risky because I want to make a couple of dollars, this, that, and the other, whoop, whoop. Not too hard to do, not too complicated. What you going to point them to? What? A reflection token or something? I mean, come on, bro. Drip Network, period. Drip or the Animal Farm. Probably, be honest with you, probably Animal Farm, but it's a little hard, you know what I'm saying, to onboard because, you know, you're talking about somebody new and, man, provide liquidity and all that. But the difference is, in the Animal Farm, you can pull your money out. And that's, at the end of the day, that's what new people always, that you're going to get that question every time. Well, can I take my money back out? Like this some kind of checking account or something. So the Animal Farm provides you that ability to where you can stake your crypto, earn money, and you can take your principal back out and still keep the money you've already earned. Think about what I just said, bro. Like, this stuff that this man has built is just unbelievable. And if you got the risk tolerance, then come over to Drip. Because when you stake your coins on the faucet, they're staked for life, and you just earn 365% of whatever you put in there, right? At 1% a day, right? Simple enough. Now, another thing about Drip, this thing has a proven track record, bro. A proven track record of making millionaires. Proven. Now, I don't know how people can get mad at that, but hey, man, just maybe if I missed it, I'd be mad too. You know, so people still mad at Hex because they missed it. You can't be mad at the actual protocol. You just can't. It's going to launch when it launches. It ain't going to wait until you decide crypto ain't a scam. You get what I'm saying? Zen is a perfect example. It's launched. You can get in it or you cannot get in it. You know what I'm saying? I don't particularly think it's the best thing ever, but I know people going to think that. So I'm going to get me some and, hey, wait for the crowd to come. That's how you do crypto, bro. You get your feelings out of it. I ain't got to like Jack, but if I can make some money off the token, I'm going to do it. People got their feelings all, I don't like Forex. You don't even know that dude. You know what I'm saying? But I guarantee as soon as he come out and say, oh, I'm a big Trump supporter, oh, you going to love him then. Oh, hey, man, Forex 2024. You get what I'm saying? People just got their feelings all involved. I could care less. You can make a whole bunch of money coming up in the next 30 days, bro. All you got, because listen, look at the price. What the price, 34 cents? What the price go down to 20 cents? What if it go down to 15? So you telling me the price can go from 15 cents up to 40 cents? You done more than doubled your money. See, I know it's hard to see. I know. It's hard to do and it's hard to see when you're looking at it as of right now, today. But not for me. I'm just saying for the average person. Because people think they have a high risk tolerance, but they really don't. They really don't. People buy tops all day, every day. If Drip pumped the $10, boy, you don't see people coming in. Hey, how I get it? What's the address? What's the token address? Blah, blah, blah. But you let it go down to 19 cents. Boy, you hear a rat P.O. Cotton around here. Silence. You know what I'm saying? So I already know the game. That's why I don't even really be arguing with people. It was a guy coming on my video the other day. Man, I bought Drip. Now, this is he bought Drip exactly the day it hit $180. January, he remember. January 2022. Oh, you did, huh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Why you wait so late? Drip was out 9 months before that. Why you didn't get in before? Oh, man, I ain't never heard of it, man. But you look at his bio, been in crypto 10 years. Well, YouTube, he said he been in crypto. He said he knew about crypto, too. So you watch crypto and all that, and everybody was talking about Drip. Even Trayvon, crypto slow, everybody. People ain't talking about it now, was talking about it then. But you just so happen didn't know until that day it hit $180. Man, people just lie so bad. So then when I say, okay, send me your address so I can look it on the blockchain. Blockchain don't lie. It's going to tell you exactly when you got crickets, silence, nothing. You get what I'm saying? That's crypto. That's 90% of the people in crypto. Like, you got to leave your feelings at the door. Make this money and go on about your business, man. You know what I'm saying? No matter what project it is. I'm just telling you, Drip. The man has put a 4-week timer on it. You got 4 weeks. Cause when Drip, Drop, Draw come, it's out. When they hit the button, it's here. You know what I'm saying? And its job is to raise the price of Drip. That's what it's going to do. Just by its very nature. Have you seen the white paper? Somebody told me about it. I ain't read it. I don't care nothing about it because I know what it's supposed to do. As long as it do what it's supposed to do, I ain't going to read it. I can care less. But some people like that. You like the analytics of that? Do that. And read that. But I know the mechanics of it is going to raise the price of Drip. I don't care if the price pump now. If the price pump to $5, it's going to be more than $5 when Drip, Drop, Draw come out. If it go down to 9 cents, it's going to be more than 9 cents when Drip, Drop, Draw come out. It's priced to pump. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way it go. And that's before scratching. That's before that beautiful, that UI just make you want to invest in the price. That thing is beautiful. You get what I'm saying? They're supposed to be having a meeting today with everybody. Like, he ain't just meeting with the guy from the UI, the guy from the onboard. Everybody's supposed to have some kind of big meeting on Monday to get this thing forward, to get it, fast track and get it going. Now, when this ain't meeting, when the developer say 4 weeks, and then I think Ray said 3 weeks. He said maybe 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, something like that. So, bruh, I don't know if any other protocol that's been out for 2 years paid out over $1 billion payout. Billion with a B. You understand what I'm saying? Verified thousandaires, verified millionaires. You see what I'm saying? Honest developer and new projects coming forward, new development coming forward. But you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy. You know me, I ain't gonna want to hear it. I ain't gonna want it because you never get an opportunity. Not in crypto. You don't get this kind of opportunity in crypto. Hex ain't going back to 0.00000001. It ain't gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't happening. You will never get that 10,000X from Hex again. 100,000X, whatever it was. Never. You know what I'm saying? I got my Hex stakes. I'm good. And I missed one the other day. I was sitting up before the guy a couple days ago, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I'm staked up, baby. I'm staked up on Zen. It might do something, it might not, but just in case. You know what I'm saying? So you might do the same thing with Drip. Hey, man, I cannot wait. You know when this stuff come out, I'm going to be running my mouth. I'm going to be standing on the top of the hill with the Drip flag. Who that? Is it Florida State? Somebody run out to the field with their flag and then plant their flag in the middle. Who does that? Oh man, I can't remember. I don't want to say Oklahoma, cause I want to say Baker Mayfield did it one time or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Run out there with the Drip flag and plant that thing. Why? Yay! Yeah, baby, you already know. But yeah, man, you can make $1 million. There's no cap in this platform. The developer encourages multiple wallets, whales. You got the whale tax and all that. This platform literally paid out one person $100,000 a day. You want to know how I know? I'm that person. On verifiable on YouTube. This platform right here, the same one the haters be hating on. Show me another platform that has done that. Show it. I ain't talking about what somebody said, riding around in no car and all that, no telegram. Show it. $100,000 a day. You might say, oh man, we had the whale taxes now. Okay, what if it was only $88,000 a day? What if it was only $72,000 a day? You get what I'm saying? You see how stupid they sound? Hating on something like that? And you think that's something, you just wait. I got more drip. I got way more drip than I had then. You just wait. That's why I'm not keeping it to myself. I'm telling you can do it. All you gotta do is get your feelings out the way. Think about this if you're a hater. Why just hate on the sideline? Why not whale up and then hate? You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, I'm going to get all this when I drip. Boy, I got 5 drip accounts. I'm going to show you this. Hate that way. Make money and then hate. You sound stupid hating while you're broke. You sound stupid hating while you wait on a reflection token that don't reflect. It makes no sense. You get what I'm saying? Maybe you don't. Maybe you never will. I don't know what to tell you, bro. All I can tell you, you got 30 days to change your financial situation. No, hey. But you don't have to. You know my motto. This is a solo sport, baby. But I can talk about drip all day, man. Shout out to the game, man. Shout out to the notification game. Shout out to the drip community. Shout out to Forex. Shout out to Ray, man. They put on a great AMA. That was awesome, man. Hey, I already had some technical difficulties. I think Driptopia was trying to do it. There was a lot of people trying to do it. I was on my way to the fight party but watched Tank knock out Ryan Garcia. The Lakers were playing. But hey, shout out to everybody. That's another thing too. That's how you can get involved in the community. You know what I'm saying? Be one of them guys that, you know, you can be new. Forex already said that he can care less who you can make the front page of the new drip UI if you do drip content. You can hold an AMA with Forex. You ain't got to be asking me. You ain't got to be mad at Ray. You ain't got to be mad at so-and-so. You can hold an AMA with Forex if you get involved with the community. This community is love. Everybody, you know, come on in. We can care less what you did before. You could have been in Piston. You could have been in Fury, Ooze, and all that. Whatever. Forex don't care nothing about that. You know what I'm saying? I do, but he don't. You get what I'm saying? So, hey, man, it's all good over here. You got 4 weeks to do what you're going to do, and then it's off to the races. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man. Oh, how much time? I'm going to get in my wheel candy. I'm going to throw my little wheel candy. I'm going to throw my sister. So yeah, just cause you don't see me doing, don't mean I don't be doing it, you know what I'm saying? Gonna do a little something, gonna throw 3 on that thing, you know what I'm talking about? Come on now. Come on, give me that old finger. While they scared, I'm jumping in. But yeah, man, you can make more than $1 million in drip if you go heavy enough. You get enough tokens. You be like, man, Stunner told me, man. Stunner told me. Ooh. But you get what? 71,000 tokens right now per 1 BNB? But that mean I get over 200,000 tokens. But we still got an hour 41 minutes. Them snipers gonna get me. Okay, it just updated. Right now I receive 114,000 tokens. I'll take it, but it ain't gonna be that much. I'll probably get about 7 or something. Who knows? I'll take it. It's still paying out. Anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Go make you $1 million, baby. Holla back at your boy. Let's go drip.